What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Secret Letters of a Hacker. In this video, we're going to review the Wi-Fi Pineapple Tetra. So if you're on the fence about buying a rogue access point to do your Wi-Fi pen testing, hopefully this video will help you out. It's kind of a lot of the same features as your Aircrack NG from Kali, but it all adds it into a simple to use web interface. So things such as your WPA attacks, your advanced reconnaissance, your passive surveillance, your injection attacks, it can all be done through an easy to use GUI. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So once you log in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard page. First thing you want to do is load bulletins from wifipineapple.com to make sure that you do have an internet connection. If you don't, you'll receive an error message. On the top, you'll see the CPU usage, the uptime of your Pineapple, how many clients are connected to it, and if you're broadcasting any SSIDs from the pool, as well as your notifications on how clients connected to your Pineapple. The next tab is your Recon tab. Here you'll do your reconnaissance scans on either 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz range, or you can do both, which is a great feature. Next tab is your clients tab, which will tell you the clients that are connected to your Pineapple, and it'll give you an option to kick them off if you don't want them connected to you. There's a drop down tab that will give you more information about clients connected to your Pineapple, as well as being able to add notes to it. If you choose to do so, you can track your clients through the tracking tab. It'll track them by their MAC address shown here. The next tab is the modules tab. Here you'll install your various modules on what you're trying to accomplish through your Pineapple. As you can see, I have Cabinet, DWAL, and Evil Portal installed. I'll show you the different types of modules that you can install. So here you'll install your various modules depending on what type of attack or reconnaissance that you want to do. DNS spoof, responder. It's got a bunch of different types of attacks and reconnaissance tools. The next tab is your filters tab. Here you can deny or allow MAC addresses to connect to you, and you can allow or deny SSIDs. The next tab is your Pine AP. Here you'll turn on your Pine AP daemon. You can log events, you can log your client connection notifications, whether or not they disconnect from you. You can capture SSIDs that are known to those specific clients that are connected to you. So for example, if you have a iPhone connected to your rogue access point, it'll go ahead and try to capture the SSIDs known to that iPhone, and it'll display them here in your SSID pool. You can choose to beacon the response or broadcast the SSIDs from that pool. And you can also decide whether you want a low, normal, or aggressive beacon. The next tab is your logging tab, which will store all the logging from your Pine AP. Next tab is your reporting tab. And then you have your networking tab, which here you'll update your DNS and troubleshoot any networking issues you might have with your Pineapple. Here you'll also turn on your Wi-Fi client mode, which is a great feature. The next tab is your configuration tab, where you'll configure your password and set your time zone. And then the advanced tab under here, you can check for your firmware upgrades. Two things that will enhance your Wi-Fi Pineapple. The first thing is the USB Wi-Fi adapter. So with this, you'll be able to tether to a hotspot or nearby access point versus having to bridge off of your computer. I'll show you really quickly. So if you go to change adapter settings, you can see here my Ethernet. With the USB Wi-Fi adapter card, you can plug this into the back of your Pineapple, which will allow better mobility and you won't have to stay connected to your computer. So with that, you can turn on your Wi-Fi client mode. Once you plug the USB in the back, you'll see another interface show up here. The second thing that will enhance your Pineapple is the long-range Wi-Fi booster. With this, it'll extend the range of your broadcast, which will allow more clients to connect to your Pineapple. That's pretty much the overview of the Wi-Fi Pineapple Tetra. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the Secret Letters of a Hacker, and stay tuned to future hacking tutorials.